Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Natasha and you're watching Tasha Yokes. I apologize for not posting any video last week. It was because of the whole ENSAS situation. Like being online was just affecting me negatively. I didn't have like the right space of mind to record a video. So yeah, that's the reason why you didn't get episode 3 of this international student series last week. Okay, so yeah, I apologize. Let's continue. Okay, so we've already spoken about how to secure scholarships, how to effectively find scholarships. If you've not watched the 2 episodes, you can I'll put the link in the description box, or you can go to my channel dashboard and you would find those videos. So today we're going to talk about how to make your application essays stand out. Okay, so in the first episode we spoke about SOP. That's statement of purpose. When you're applying to a school, you're supposed to submit a statement of purpose. So we're going to talk about that, and then we're going to talk about how to write essays for your scholarship application as well. So if this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned. So the statement of purpose is basically to introduce yourself and let the school know why you want to study in their school and why you're choosing the program that you're choosing. Okay, so you start by introducing yourself, tell them who you are, give them a little background about yourself. That background shouldn't be about the number of siblings you have, where you were born, stuff like that. It should be about the experience you have, or the courses, the program you did in your previous level of education, be it first degree or senior high school. Okay, so tell them you've taken these courses and this and that and that. Maybe during your internship you realized, or you want to further your education in a particular subject topic, and you can say maybe during your you had an internship doing like in a lab or something, and it piqued your interest to further your education in chemistry or biology, or whatever, business administration, whatever. So a little bit of what motivated you to apply to the program you're applying for, and then you go ahead to tell them your goals. Okay, why you want to take the program you're applying for, and why did you choose the school, for instance. Okay, so you need to pay them a compliment. Just tell them you are applying for that course because of and that should be your motivation for the course. And it should be concrete. Okay, it shouldn't be like, oh, your friend said it's a good course, so you are doing it. No, you should have an individual interest in the program you are applying for. Okay, so it should be like that, and then paying compliments to the school, saying that maybe, and I chose to study in this school because you are one of the best schools in Canada, or you are ranked number 1 in Canada. So I think studying in this university, studying in your reputable, please use nice words for them. Okay, let their heads swell. Okay, studying in your reputable university where you guys have a lot of resources, that would be my English is not coming. Yeah, but they have resources that can help you be a better professional. Okay, be better equipped with skills that you need to have in your career. So that's why you're applying to their school. I hope you guys get me. I don't know why this point is all over the place, but yeah, I hope you guys get what I'm saying. So pay them a compliment. Let them know that you've researched about the school, you've researched about the course you're applying for, and so you know what you're talking about. Okay, and you should also let them know how passionate you are about the program that you're applying for. Okay, do you have the passion to find a vaccine for coronavirus? Do you get it? If you're taking like these science programs, do you have like the passion? You want to help cure cancer because a family member has cancer, so you're very, very passionate to study, research, and find a cure for cancer. Okay, that's an example. And tell them why you are the best candidate. Why are you the best candidate? Do you have any experience in playing with, why am I even speaking about science courses? I know nothing about science courses, but do you have any experience playing with experiments, scientific experiments? Do you have any experience in that? Have you had any internship in that regard? Tell them about it. Yeah, have you been an understudy of a scientist that gave you exposure to how to, create a vaccine? Or maybe you volunteered in a hospital, okay, to help cure sick people. Like, convince them why you are the best candidate. Okay, if you're applying for business administration, why are you the best candidate? Do you have any idea of what business administration is about? Do you? So maybe if your mom has a store and you've been helping her with the finances, okay, calculating expenditure versus expenses, all that stuff. And also, have you had any internship in the business establishments that you've been exposed to business methodologies and business strategies and stuff like that? So yeah, just convince them why they should pick you. Okay. And yeah, so if you guys have any more tips about statements of purpose that I've not mentioned, please put it in the comment section so we can all learn. Okay, I don't know it all, I'm not a know-it-all. I don't know everything. I'm not God. No. Okay. So I think that's all I have to say about statements of purpose. And then when it comes to application essays for scholarships, yeah, I think most of the scholarships, what they are looking for is someone who has an incline to be a leader. Okay, most scholarship programs, okay, at least for mine, they want to train leaders of tomorrow. Okay, so tell your story. If there's any little thing you did as a leader, it doesn't have to be like you led people to go and protest, or you led people to open a multi-billion dollar company. No, any little thing. So if you were in senior high school and you took an initiative to go in front of your entire class and explain something that class doesn't understand to them, like teach them something a teacher taught and they didn't understand and you understood, that's an example of leadership. Okay, if you did an internship, okay, if you had an internship and something was going on and you thought this is not the right way of doing things, and you step up to tell your boss, oh, I think if we do it like this, it would be better, it would be more efficient. That is you stepping up as a leader. Little things like that. If you have big things as well, please do. If you tried establishing a business on your own, that is a leader. Even if it didn't work out, that is a leader. You have initiative to lead. You have initiative to do something better for your life. That is what they want to see. Okay, so tell your story. And another thing is they like to take up people who have a sense of community. Okay, so for my scholarship program, we are trained to go back and give back to our community. Like it's paramount. Okay, you should help your community. Have you even taken notice of what is going on in your community? Do you have any ideas of how to help your community in any small way? It doesn't have to be big. It doesn't have to be like, oh, you want to build an entire school for your community. I mean, if you had money, would you be applying for the scholarship? No. So in any little way that you can, what can you do to help your community? Maybe what you can do is you can gather the kids in the community who can't go to school. Every weekend you gather them and teach them something, so that at least they're getting a little education. Maybe you can donate clothes to some people in your community who are, they're they're in more need than you are. You can do that. It's like little things, okay? It doesn't have to be like big. If you have to go big, you can go big as well. So like, tell your story. What plans do you have for your community? If you should be sponsored and then you become like a prominent person in life, what are you going to do for your community? That is two major things that they are interested in. Are you a leader? Do you have initiative? Are you creative? Are you conscious of your community? Do you have the edge to help your community? Do you take people into consideration? Do you have empathy for people? That kind of thing. So tell your story. You can get different questions in scholarship applications. For mine, I wrote about 6 essays for my scholarship application. Some may be more, some may be less. My friend is applying for one right now, and she's written 7 essays for one scholarship application. So let me see if I can find the questions and tell you some of the questions you should expect. Okay, so some of the questions are to they said, reflecting on your life so far, tell us why you fit the criteria for the scholars program. Tell us why you want financial assistance. Okay, so like I've been saying, tell your story. Are you from like a large family where your dad is not working, your mom is sick, so they can't work? Like, what's your situation like? And you shouldn't lie. Okay, for my scholarship they do background checks as well. Don't lie, they'll catch you. Don't lie. Okay, so like, what is your situation like? Explain to them what your situation is like, and that's it. Okay, and another question is they want to learn about your track record of being a transformative leader. Okay, like I said, have you transformed someone's life in a little way? I decided to take up the initiative to sponsor someone to gain a skill that she can work with in the future, to get her some income that she can live comfortably with. Okay, so that was my initiative. What have you done for someone? What have you done in your entire life? What have you done for someone to make someone comfortable, to make someone's life comfortable? Okay, so there's that. So yeah, all the questions are about your leadership, what you do for your community should you be sponsored and then you become a prominent person in your community. What are you going to do for the entire community? Okay guys, so yeah, that's it. And once again, if you have more tips to give us, please put it in the comment section. I have not applied to a lot of scholarships. If you have, and you know the questions they asked and I didn't talk about, please put it in the comment section so we can all learn. Okay, we're all learning over here. And yeah, so if you watched up to this end, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe, like, put on your post notification to be notified anytime and every time I post a video. This is episode 3 of the International Students series, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share to other friends who are in their application process. Okay, it will help me so much. Introduce my channel to your friends and family, and yeah, just share, support this channel by sharing, by subscribing, by watching the ads, by turning on your post notification, by joining the TY gang. Okay, we are the TY gang, but in this series we're trying to be a little bit serious, so I just address you guys as hi guys. Yeah. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video though. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.